Some dreams ignite the power to succeed. Some passions fuel the fire of innovation. And some beliefs drive us to relentlessly move forward. Over the past 2 decades, Weldcom has stayed true to its original passion, breaking barriers and evolving into one of the leading technology general contractors in the mechanical engineering sector, in Vietnam and beyond. Founded in 2005 as a small retail and repair shop for mechanical equipment, Weldcom has grown into a national powerhouse, with branches in major industrial hubs like Hai Phong, Da Nang, Ho Chi Minh City, supported by 45 modern retail stores and a network of 1,300 distributors across the country. Internationally, Weldcom has established representative offices in China and India, affirming our position as a Vietnamese brand with global ambition, actively integrating into the world's supply chain. Today, nearly 700 professionals call Weldcom home, bringing together Vietnamese intelligence with global expertise to form a dynamic, capable, and forward-thinking team ready to conquer future challenges. Thanks to strategic partnerships with world-renowned suppliers and a team of seasoned experts, Weldcom has evolved into a full-service technology general contractor, delivering turnkey, end-to-end solutions and leading the shift toward flexible, automated manufacturing in the modern mechanical industry. We focus our efforts across 4 key business areas: automotive industry, smart production lines for steel structures and components, production lines for metal plate processing and supporting industries, retail network and distribution channels. Through market fluctuations, economic crises, and internal transformations, Weldcom has maintained sustainable momentum, with revenue growth of 15 to 25% annually from 2020 to 2024. In 2024, our revenue reached nearly 1.75 trillion Vietnamese dongs, approximately 69 million United States dollars, underscoring our resilience and ambition to rise higher, and expanding our global footprint. As part of this journey, Weldcom is proud to partner with VinFast as a top-tier contractor for key projects such as automotive body production lines in India, Indonesia, Hai Phong, and Ha Tin VF2 project, contributing to the creation of cutting-edge regional manufacturing centers. In structural steel and metal fabrication, Weldcom is the trusted partner of top-tier companies like Dai Dung, Hai Along, Gai Cao, Thaco, Caro Phi, Tan Tien, and more, offering complete turnkey solutions from consulting and design to implementation, performance optimization, and phased equipment upgrades. In the last 3 years, Weldcom has undergone a full-scale transformation, from a traditional trading company to a pioneering technology enterprise focused on mastering innovation and increasing local manufacturing value. Our 2 modern R&D centers in Hanoi and Binh Duong, home to nearly 100 engineers and technology experts, are the heart of Weldcom's tech revolution, dedicated to developing core technologies and creating a made in Vietnam solution ecosystem for the manufacturing industry. Key innovations born from this effort include SmartLine IQ, smart software powering flexible production lines; Smart Robotics, smart software for programming; WMMS, equipment monitoring and maintenance system; 3D software for measuring and inspecting CNC machine parts. These platforms not only reflect Weldcom's technological mastery but also provide customized, efficient, and scalable solutions tailored to each manufacturer, boosting productivity, optimizing operations, and accelerating the journey to smart automation. In parallel with R&D, Weldcom has made bold investments in manufacturing, with a state-of-the-art 13,000 square meters factory, ISO 9001-2015 certified and equipped with advanced machinery. This is where world-class, made by Weldcom, products are created, earning trust in Southeast Asia, Japan, India, and soon in demanding markets like Russia and the United States, affirming Vietnam's capabilities in high-tech manufacturing. Our innovation has not gone unnoticed. Smart Robotics earned the prestigious Gold Make in Vietnam 2024 award for breakthrough solutions in industry and construction. SmartLine IQ received the 5-star Sao Ku Award for excellence in industrial production and automation, state-level recognition for Weldcom's relentless innovation and achievements. The foundation is strong. The momentum is unstoppable. Weldcom is ready to accelerate into a new era, with the bold ambition to become a leading technology enterprise in the mechanical engineering industry, showcasing Vietnamese intellect and spirit on the global industrial map.